Hey guys, try these Pringles minis with me, barbecue flavor. So, I love barbecue flavor Pringles, but I never tried the minis. I got these ones as well, but I'm going to try them maybe tomorrow. There we go.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I like them. They are very nice. Like so nice. Bye guys.